Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can change the color of your iPhone to normal. Do not forget, dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and also put your likes under the video and please write your comments. Well, let us be with you to get started. And just so you can change maybe the color of the settings or the look of your iPhone or the color of the apps. Please open up Settings, scroll through a little bit and select Universal Access. Here, select Display and Text Size. Scroll down a little bit and look for the Inversion section. If you have it enabled, please turn it off. Then scroll down a little further, pause, and go to the color filters. If you friends have any of them enabled, you can simply disable them with one swipe like this. After that, the color of your shortcuts, apps, your iPhone and settings, they'll go back to normal. This is how, friends, you can quickly and easily change the color of your iPhone back to normal. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments and also subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.